Good morning, everybody. We're coming to you from the Baker Creek National Heirloom Expo. We're here on day 3. We've had such a great time. We actually haven't even stopped and filmed. I haven't filmed a single thing.
Not for Instagram either.
For 2 days here at the expo. We've had an awesome time. We've met so many of our viewers. We spoke yesterday, which was really fun actually.
It was fun.
See, we've actually talked to people so much that we haven't actually, there's a lot of things we haven't seen.
Yeah,
so we're gonna go through and see
today.
some of the cool stuff. We'll bring you along and show you that.
Is that not so beautiful? You can smell the watermelon in here. There's watermelon everywhere and you can taste it. Oh, this is so beautiful. I have always had a love for gourds, and we grew some gourds this year successfully. There's a watermelon called Gift of the Sun.
Guys, here are the apples. So many beautiful varieties. This variety right here is actually a seedling variety that one of the gentlemen here at the festival found. Seedling means that there's only one known tree with that variety. He actually gave me one yesterday. I ate it. It was a little green, but it was just tart and crispy, tasty.
My name is Jose Carlos Perez Lecona, and I'm a fruit carver.
How did you decide, like, oh, I'm going to learn to carve squash?
Because in my university, when I used to be a student, there was like how can you say, competitions?
Yeah.
When I started the university, one of my dreams was to be part of the member that represents Mexico in the world.
Okay.
So that's the way that I started to carve. And now I'm making this.
That's so funny, I love it.
In the last competition, that was this one, Culinary World Cup, I'm in the second place of all the world.
Wow.
Yeah.
For
really
carving
good.
specifically? Or
Yeah,
for,
we're
wow.
making this.
So we thought we grew a big pumpkin, but we have been seriously showed up.
You can't even see how big these things are on this camera. I wish I could go over there and hug them for you. These are crazy big. It's like I walked up, I was like, are those even real? They're just so grotesque and so huge.
Don't you wonder, like, what's inside and if you can even eat it?
I'd love to know what's inside.
I know.
This one's 1,500 pounds, 1,542 pounds, 1,519 pounds. That's incredible.
It's Madu Ras melon. This is the one, I want to try to grow this one next year. This is the inside. It's just like your own personal melon. Isn't that sweet?
What does it smell like?
Heaven. Like, you can't even buy this in stores, you know? Milo Grosse de la Pobla. Whoa! We gotta grow that if we can. Oh, beautiful!
Hey guys, famous YouTuber, Doug. Stacy's right here talking to Bree. Anyway,
Sharing some seed information.
that's right.
Having fun at the Heirloom Expo 2019 in Santa Rosa, California. Hopefully you guys come out in 2020.
You definitely should.
Start making your plans.
One of the really neat things about growing your own food, besides just like the absolute joy in it and actually getting free food, are just the names of the different varieties. There's just so much joy for me in that. So like this pepper, this really beautiful pepper, is called Brazilian starfish. And then this little sweet pepper is called lilac bell. Is that not just beautiful? And then here's my favorite. This one is called Sweet Tender Tinkerbell. And you know, being here has been, we knew it was gonna be fun, but I don't think we realized that we were gonna get to touch and see and and in person, all these varieties that we've looked at in seed catalogs, but to see them in person really helps you make decisions about what you want to try to grow.
I don't think you're supposed to touch them. You're not supposed to touch them. Do you have a favorite tomato variety out here?
I heard Brad Gates say the other day, if you're not eating 10 at one time, then you're missing out. So I kind of am taking that shit.
You mean growing 10 and eating 10?
Yeah, like just slices.
No, growing
just stacked
65.
No, probably of these on the tables here that I've seen, I really love Cherokee Purple. That's kind of like a tried and true, as well as Brandywines. And then I love Brad's stuff, Wild Boar Farms, like the Black Beauty is one that's really good.
I think those are, just as far as beauty goes,
Is
like
that
those
not
are
gorgeous?
just so amazing.
I grew this tomato this year.
Really?
It's a stuffer, and so it's got like a really thin wall and like these blobs of gel. It looks like a brain inside. It's weird.
Wow.
But it's so pretty that...
So you dig it out and stuff it, or?
Yeah. You take the seeds out, but they're really compact in the middle and it's mostly hollow. I just ate them all raw in the garden because I like to eat the weird inside brain.
Yeah. You like to eat brains. Okay.
I guess we can take it there. That would be... Well, now that you've established that I eat tomato brains, I don't know how we recover from that.
Banana brains.
It's been super fun hanging out with y'all.
Yeah,
We've
this
enjoyed
was
it so much.
So wonderful. To get
This
to
expo was a lot more fun because we had a lot of friends.
Yeah, it was so fun, honestly.
I don't know, we were sitting around the other night and Arthur said, you know, what a blessing Baker Creek has given us that we all get to be together because we don't get to very much, and that's so true.
Yeah.
It's been a huge...
Yeah, we've been
huge
almost a
blessing.
year since we saw them last,
Yeah,
so
no.
it's been pretty cool.
Definitely loved it.
Can you tell me your favorite thing that you've done or seen out here?
I would say just talking to people.
Yeah.
Right? Meeting other people. Yeah, meeting people come up to us because we, honestly, I was like, ain't no one gonna know like who we are.
Yeah, that's what we talked about. We were like, no one's really gonna know who we are. We're in California. This is like a big event. It's huge. And I think it was really neat to connect one-on-one with people who watch our channel and just see them face to face. I think that was really nice.
Yeah, I think that's what it's all about. I think that was our favorite thing.
I agree.
People, right?
I think that was my favorite thing too. It's been so fun, honestly, hearing stories. I've had people apologize to me like, oh, I don't want to take up your time, and I'm like, actually, like I will be talking to my camera for months, literally months, and not ever talk to someone who's watching the videos.
Yes.
And yet there's thousands of people watching videos, so it's actually really nice to make those connections and talk to people face to face.
And also hearing like all of us YouTubers, like all of our talks. I think all of us were nervous, but like everyone did so good. Like everybody's talks was awesome, I think, and so I think that was fun too. Just kind of sitting in on everybody.
And the squash tower.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Amazing. Like all of the squash that are in there, even on the tables, I thought was so encouraging because I was like, I want to grow that. Like to see it in person. It's one thing to see a seed packet online or in a catalog, but like to see the actual squash in person, I was like, I gotta try this.
Queen? Well, yeah. They all look the same. And this one seems kind of like...
We're trying to figure out which of these watermelon are. They're going to the watermelon tasting area, which is where we're headed next.
This is Daisy.
Y'all just pick whichever ones you want to, or are you trying to keep a certain number of varieties out there?
Well, we got to keep 5 varieties out there at a time, and then we're just trying to get a nice variety of colors for the kids and shapes and stuff. All the seeds are different. But it being the last day, a lot of the a lot of the labeled ones disappeared, which is why we're playing Name That Melon over there.
Oh no.
Orange. These are the same.
This is a very exciting moment for me. I really love melons, and I of course have mostly only ever tried just like what I can get in the grocery store. Yeah, this is really exciting. This is one of the sweetest watermelons I've ever tasted. I'm gonna have to go look up which variety this is for you guys. Hold on one second. This one was the Shipper Daisy Yellow variety, and I'm not gonna be able to remember all these varieties, but There is one variety here that has red seeds, which is pretty cool.
That's much less sweet. It's more like watery tasting.
I actually really like watermelon when it just has flavor but not a lot of sweet, because I just like that refreshing like burst of the water in your mouth. But I mean, any good watermelon I'll eat.
You guys were saying bye to Jake from White House on the Hill. We've gotten to hang out a ton. Haven't filmed anything with him until now. They're about to leave. I've had a great time hanging out.
I feel like we've known Art and Bree forever. Obviously, you get familiar with people through their channel, and it feels like you know them. And it's just like, I feel like we just hit it off and just started flowing like we've known each other forever.
Yeah, it's been super fun. So.
We appreciate it. We love your guys' channel. We were very inspired by you guys early on to get our channel started, so we really appreciate you guys.
Awesome. Thanks. It was just awesome.
Thank you.
Guys, we are getting tired out. We had a great 3 days, and I think we're going to get out of here and take a little break from the heat and talking to everyone and go see something really special.
Our surprise destination is we headed out to a redwood grove with all these crazy people, some of whom have never seen the redwoods, so this should be fun and we're gonna bring you guys. Yeah, you can feel it. You can feel the quiet.
Decided to come over to the redwoods.
It feels like you should whisper.
You gotta be quiet though. It's so beautiful.
I'm so glad we came.
I'm so glad we came. Shh.
Just feel like you need to just be chill. Was that your first time seeing the redwoods?
Yes, it was.
And how did you feel about it?
It's amazing. Like, I feel like I need to whisper in here. It's like, I don't know, it's like majestic, holy, I don't know, heavenly. It's kind of just, it's so quiet. I've never heard this much quiet.
I love how she just said she's never heard this much quiet. But it's a peaceful place. Everybody feels it. Everyone feels that holiness and that sacredness of this place. We have been to the redwoods before, and I have to say that it's just amazing how the human memory works, and you forget how majestic and incredible something is. So I feel really lucky we got to go just skip out and do that this afternoon with everyone. think we're gonna end this video.
Guys, this has been an awesome week.
Yes.
And thanks to Baker Creek for inviting us out and getting all these YouTubers together. It's just been a load of fun. And thanks for joining us. It's been awesome. So goodbye.
See you in the next video.